So any post on your schedule by your Twitter, that is we can't use any kind of tools and any kind of options. This is not mandatory for your Twitter option. So this is a new version of the Twitter. Now click for more. The option is called Twitter ads. We not go to any Twitter ads. This is only for you can doing for free of posting for schedule on your video on your Twitter account. There's a video or website link, anything you can promote using this option. Click for back. In this option call is Twitter cards. The Twitter cards enable based on your activity, the card will be enabled. So in this select your card, only go to card library, select any one video, and select it in this website card. Now I'm selecting by title. Why using Twitter cards is called the image showing for totally large thumbnail. Select image. Image is first reference on your cards. Create. Now tweet. Now tweet. So you can discuss everything on your Facebook. So how many months you can tweet on your Facebook page? 6 months. So when you schedule by any offer only for 1 month. But here scheduled by any Twitter, the first of all any tweet will be done based on the hashtags and before tweet remove the promote only. Why? Because I'm not creating any ads. In this below option that is called schedule. The option is called schedule. Click the schedule. You can schedule any times. So this you are used by here. Is it clear? So I can go for schedule for when 3/6/2020. Here posting for time. So or else I'll go with any posting will be right now when 16 and click for. Is it clear? You can select your particular date and particular time. You can schedule on your post by your Twitter tweet option. So anything you have to post, date and times. We not set the customized time. Always set by after half an hour. In an hour, we can post only for 2 times. Which one? After 30 minutes and after another 30 minutes. Only for 2 posts for each hour. So I'm setting for 10:20, 1:30 is not acceptable. It will be not acceptable. So this is a very important on your Twitter tweet of schedule using Twitter cards. It's very important. This enable for based on your activity is enable your Twitter cards. Any new user is not enabled by Twitter cards.